This video is to show you how to use the shaft tool for exercise 12A in task 3, step 8. So I didn't get to explain this in the last video. But if you are on floor 2, where we modified the floor, if you click on this shaft button in the architecture tab, this is going to allow you to draw a shaft. So our shaft in this instance, which is an opening from floor to floor, that's what a shaft is, like an elevator shaft, a stair shaft. So I am going to trace around this area where the stairs are, and I want to make sure that I'm selecting the endpoints in the process, not just arbitrarily placing things. So I'm going to trace around this boundary to create my shaft. So my shaft is this part right here, which means it's open, there's no floor. Over here in the base constraint, I'm going to let it be set to floor 2, but I'm going to leave it at 0 feet. And then I want it to go up to floor 8. And then I'm going to hit apply. Make sure it's floor 8, and then the green check mark. So now if I look at this in 3D, you're going to see that the shaft is created for every single floor. So you can see that there is no floor running through the stairs, which is good because some people won't hit their heads. So this is how you create that for all of those levels.